Alright guys, so this is a video for the Mavic Mini, and it's a video for some landing gear that you can get for it. It's like these extensions that is made for the back. Right here you can see the back ones and the front ones. This one is the name brand for this one's called Sunnylife, but there's many other brand names out there on like eBay, Amazon. I got these off Amazon for like 12 or $10 just because I wanted the fast shipping. But a lot of people have been having trouble with this and putting it inside their Flymore case. If you have the Flymore combo, the stock case that comes in, as you can see, it's kind of hard to fit it in here because it's all molded like precisely for the drone. And if you add any extra bulge or anything, it's not going to fit. But I found a way that I could fit it that we don't have to keep putting it on and taking off the landing gear, especially the front ones. That's the ones that don't fit. That's the ones that matter most. But I also fixed the rear little legs of the landing gear because they were not made correctly. So let me go ahead and show you first the rear legs. These snap in right here on the side of the drone, and they fold back. So as you can see right here, what I did is, I don't know if you can, I can't zoom, you can kind of tell here. I shaved down this part right here because if you see the profile, it would be, this part would be sticking out more. It doesn't go flush with the plastic of the drone. So I just filed it down, and what I used was a nail file to make it the same size here, and then also on this side. When you fold it down, you could see that it's flush here and it's not sticking out, because if it wasn't flush, once you fold this down, it would have hit right there, and it would have gone in the way here. You can see here they would have been sticking out, and then this gives you it puts pressure on this little arm. So I didn't want to mess up the hinge for this part, so that's why I filed it down. And then also I filed down the top part. If you can see here, I filed this top part down. You could tell that it's filed down here because it's not made very good. I guess Chinese stuff is not ever always made to the exact size. So I filed that down, so when you fold it up, I'll show you here. See, when you fold it up and then you bring back this side, it still kind of gets in the way, but it's not as bad as before, because before this was in the way up here and it would make this little arm snap up and back, and I don't want to put any pressure on this hinge. So that's one thing you guys can do, is file this down so it fits better. And then also on this part, so that it sits flush here, you can file this, just this little corner here, from here to here. You can file that down to be flush with the arm of the drone. Alright, and the other tip I have for you guys is when you fold it up so it could fit inside your case. When you fold it up, put everything together, but you can leave these on, but instead of snapping them into place, how it shows you here that they snap in and they stay, just leave them like this, loose. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold these back and just let them unsnap the thing and let them loose there, and that's how they're gonna be able to fit inside your Flymore case. Fit it in here, and you see it's still a bit snug, but it fits way better than it was before. See, now you can close your case, zip it up, and everything's fine, and you don't have to deal with taking these little extensions on or off. They could just stay on there. You just don't clip them on all the way. So then you have your drone with your nice extensions, and it fits everything with the stock case. So I hope that helped.